Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to showcase you the new weapons which are one SMG called the Striker 45, which you can see the gameplay of. It's from Modern Warfare 2019. It's not the UMP 45 but has same resemblance. It is based on the UMP 45 gun. As you can see, it's a 3-shot kill weapon up close and certain distance, and it's similar to the CBR currently now we have in terms of performance. As you can see, these are all the stats, but these are not the final ones, so take it with a pinch of salt. And here you can see all the attachments which are not shown yet, but based on the few attachments, I can say it will be a mix of both Black Ops attachment and Modern Warfare 2 attachments. As you can see, you have agency spark pressure and so on, and light stock, agile stock, like that. So we can expect this to be similar to the CBR or the current QQ9. These are all the headshot multiplayers and other body part multiplayers, but these are not finals, so what you are seeing is there just for the test servers. As you can see, I am comparing with another gun, M13, but now as you can see, here are the comparisons from CBR to the current gun. I'm using the attachments mono suppressor, extended light barrel, aim assist laser, and stippled granulated grip tape and steady stock. This is the assault rifle build, and you can see the comparisons both. As you can see, the new gun damage is more than the CBR, but it's just a test server, so don't take it with a pinch of salt. And the recoil pattern, as you can see, it's a minimal recoil pattern, you can control it very much, but it has a terrible iron sight. And the second weapon is a launcher, which is the Joker from Modern Warfare 2019. As you can see the gameplay. It's a auto lock rocket launcher. This weapon is based on the Stinger or a Javelin missile launcher. I think it's the Javelin. And the new lethal weapon is called cluster grenade, which is from the battle royale, as we can see. And I'm going to showcase you the gameplay of cluster grenade. And new there are no new blue perks and also no new red perks. And also no new green perks. No new score tricks in the test server yet. But there is a new operator skill in the test server which is called tactical deployment, which you can place on anywhere in the map, and you will be given 3 options to respawn at the game selected spawn point, or respawn at your favorite spawn point, like near to the enemy spawn point or the capture flags of ABC, and near teammates. You can respawn there. No new tacticals.
Training mode.
In the training range, you can on the test server you can select the SMG and give it the attachments and see how it performs in the test server. So I'm going to be rocking my favorite attachments, and then I will be showcasing you the damage numbers and all the detailed gameplay for now I can give you. As you can see, the gun model has not been yet to be released in the test server, but you can see it's a 3-shot kill up to I think 20 meters. Now in the shipment domination match, I will going to showcasing you the cluster net gameplay and the new operator skill tactical redeployment.
Domination. Capture the objectives.
As you can see, I have the
Enemy
cluster
taking B.
grenade equipped, and you throw it and it will produce a cluster grenade effect.
Enemy
You can
taking
see
Bravo.
same as the BR.
We're capturing C. Enemy has Alpha.
And I got a
UAV
few
online.
kills with that in this
Captured
gameplay.
C. Enemy taking B. Predator missile on standby.
Changing mag! Cover me! Contact with enemy! Enemy in sight!
We're capturing Alpha. UAV recon ready for deployment.
As you can see, this is the
Losing C.
tactical
Enemies up.
redeployment operator
Enemy
skill.
UAV spotted.
It is a little bit buggy in
Lost
this
the lead. We're capturing B.
test server right now. It works sometimes but
Contact
not
with
works
enemies.
other times.
Enemy dead.
We're capturing A. Captured Alpha. Lost Charlie. UAV online. Tied for the lead. Captured B.
Enemy come!
Losing B.
Target in sight!
I hope it will get a kill.
Enemy down!
Yeah, it got killed.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Capturing Bravo. It's too close. Fight harder.
Enemy in sight! Enemy down!
Capturing C.
Enemy in sight! Ooh! Contact!
We're capturing B. UAV online. Captured Bravo.
Enemy
As you can
contact!
see now, I'm using the execution mode because I like it very much.
Tango down!
It was very nice, and I died too. That was hilarious.
Enemy in sight! Enemy down! Contact with
We're
enemy!
losing this fight. Losing A. We tied for the lead.
And you can see the blast radius of the cluster nade.
Losing
It was
Bravo. UAV online.
bit overpowering, I think.
We've taken the lead.
Targets in sight! Tango down! Target down! Enemy in sight!
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Capture the objectives. We're capturing Bravo. We're capturing C. Enemy taking Alpha.
With enemy! Tango!
I hope the tactical redeployment works this time. As you can see, you have 3 options to
Enemy
select
has
for
A.
respawn.
Captured B. Losing B.
Now, do I get a kill? I don't think so.
Target down!
Yeah, I got a
Enemy in
kill.
sight!
With the
Changing mag!
cluster.
Cover me! Targets in sight! Cut! Targets in sight! Tango!
Losing Bravo.
Contact with enemy! Tango down!
Enemy taking Charlie.
Targets in sight! Enemy down!
Capturing C.
Enemy in
Enemy
sight!
taking C.
Target down!
We're capturing Alpha. Enemy UAV spotted.
Target down!
We captured A.
Enemy in sight! Tango down! Target down! Target down! Target down. Enemy down. Target down.
Enemy has C.
Reloading.
Losing
Cover me.
Alpha. We're capturing C.
Contact with enemy.
UAV online.
Headshot. Changing mag. Cover me.
Losing A. We lost A. We're capturing A.
Target down.
Captured Alpha.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Enemy contact. Contact
Objective
with
almost
enemy.
complete. Keep it up.
Enemy
Friendly nuke is ready.
Ooh,
reloading. Cover
I
me.
got the nuke. It's time to use the nuke in a few seconds, I think.
Changing mag.
Yeah. Let's call it in the nuke and end the game over here.
Warning,
So
friendly
guys,
nuke has
that's
been
all
launched.
for today's video. As you can see, the cluster grenade was bit overpowered, I think, and the new tactical grid was little bit buggy in this season. I mean, in the server, but it works quite nice. So that's all for today video. Thank you so much for watching.